Hello there and welcome. This is Nathan, and in this tutorial quickie, I'm going to go over the cloaking function inside of ClickMagick. So I've created my link here, and we're going to start digging into the details of that link. When you first create your new link, it's very simple right there. You can fill all this information in, and it will output what's down here. But I'm going to go through all the little settings here as we go. So as you notice, my link description name, number one, is something that I understand what it is. I know exactly what this link does. So for me, this is for digital altitude. It's for Tim's VSL page. It's a Mac video. And this is the opt-in destination URL. So when somebody hits submit on my forms, on my opt-in page, they are now directed to this tracking link right here. So how that works is once they hit this tracking link, they are redirected to my primary URL right here, and a click is registered up top. So this total clicks and that's unique clicks. Unique clicks are all from different locations, different IP addresses, and the total clicks can be way more than unique clicks if somebody clicks on the same link more than once. The cloaking function is right here. So if you click yes, what's going to happen is when somebody submits their email address and they click on the button, they are redirected to this link here, this full link all the way through to the MVSL, and that stays at the top. So it does not redirect them to doneforyou.business.go, but the page that is displayed is this exact same as your primary URL. So that might sound confusing. I'm going to go through and show you what it looks like uncloaked and then cloaked. So my primary destination for all my traffic is going to the desktop version, as you see here with the go-d. And then if you scroll further down, this is where you can set your mobile traffic. So anything coming from Android, Apple's, tablets, all that stuff will go to Go Mobile or go-m. The iOS URL is only if there is a specific URL for Apple devices. We don't have that, so don't worry about that. Once it sees that it's a mobile device and an Apple device and there's nothing in this field, it uses this field to send the traffic to. Lastly, there's a notes down here. I always put something in here to help me remember if I've made my my naming scheme too complicated and I can't figure out what that was for. Notes in here are a very good idea so that you can remember what exactly that link was for. So I'm going to close that out. And all right, so let's go ahead and test out that link now. So here's my link. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to open it in a new incognito window. That will create a whole new session. There we go. I'm going to drop it in. And so as you notice now, once the video loads, I'm going to kill the beeping. There we go. So as you'll notice, now you see the doneforyou.business-d, because I'm on a desktop right now. So all my information's in there. So if we go back and take a look, you'll see this is not being shown. It was just a tracking link, and it did go to my primary URL. So at this point, if I turn cloaking on, I say yes, and then I just go to the very bottom, hit Save Changes. Now that's done. Now if I take the same exact URL, let's go back to here, and now I put that same exact URL in here, right? What happens? Taken to the same page, the same exact page, but instead, look at the link that's being shown right now. It's the ClickMagick link. So it has cloaked my link in the background and is displaying the ClickMagick link. Now, obviously, you probably don't want to use the ClickMagick link. You want to have your own domain there. And what I recommend with that is to set up your domain inside of ClickMagick. So if you go to the Tools section and then you go to Domain Manager, obviously I don't have anything set up in here. I set up the trial just to shoot this video. But what you want to use, you can actually have 3 different ways to do it. If you click on Start Here, it'll take you to this FAQ, and it shows you the 3 different methods of using cloaking with this system. So, or I'm sorry, integrating a domain name with this system. since I use all my domains differently, I tend to lean toward the CNaming side. It's a little bit more advanced with modifying DNS records for your domain that you would have to do with your domain registrar. But they have detailed instructions down here that can walk you through that, so that when somebody clicks on your cloaked link, that they don't end up seeing. So it just loads. Does They don't end up seeing this URL right here. They'll see HTTP your domain, whatever that is, and then it would be slash whatever. So it would be slash MVSL. So this part right here would not be displayed to the end user, and that's what cloaking does. It makes somebody think they're going to a site that they're not at. It shows the same display as your primary URL, but it shows a different web address here at the top. So it wouldn't say um, "Done for You Business." It would say ClickMagick in this instance. So I hope that clears up some confusion for you, and that now you understand how to cloak your links. And if you have any further problems, just let us know in the Facebook group. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.